our habits. In our current economy, we take materials from the earth, make products from them, and eventually throw them away as waste. This process is linear. The circular economy is a solution that tackles global challenges like climate change, biodiversity loss, waste, and pollution. It is a resilient system that is good for business, people, and the environment. So, what is the difference between this linear and circular economy? As the diagram shows, the linear take, make, waste economy is characterized by high levels of extraction, consumption, and waste. And the circular economy tries to design out waste and pollution and to use materials and products for as long as possible and to regenerate natural systems. How does circular economy work? The circular economy gives us the tools to tackle climate change and biodiversity loss together while addressing important societal needs. It gives us the power to grow prosperity, jobs, and resilience while cutting greenhouse gas emissions, waste, and pollution. And it puts the emphasis not on recycling and waste, but on upcycling and extracting as much higher quality from the raw materials as possible. The circular economy is based on three principles. First, we need to eliminate waste and pollution. Second, we need to circulate products and materials at their highest value. And finally, we need to regenerate nature. We need to restore what we have destroyed. Let's look at the first principle. How do we eliminate waste and pollution? Currently, our economy works in a take, make, waste system. We take raw materials from the earth, we make products from them, and eventually we throw them away as waste. Much of this waste ends up in landfills and is lost. This system cannot work in the long term because the resources on our planet are limited. So everything from tiny products like these crisp packets all the way up to buildings and roads, the economy is filled with things that have been designed without asking the very important question: what happens to this product at the end of its life? For many products on the market, there is no answer. For example, this plastic package cannot be reused, recycled, or composted, so it ends up in waste. They are designed to be disposable. So the circular economy creates a solution. In the circular economy, materials re-enter the economy at the end of their use. By doing this, we take the linear take, make, waste system and make it circular. Many products could be circulated by being maintained, shared, reused, repaired, refurbished, remanufactured, and, as the last resort, recycled. So recycle is not in the center of the circular economy. It is a low priority. Before we put our old products in the recycling bin, we need to think, how can we use them for longer time? How can we repair, reuse, and redesign them in such a way that it will be valuable for us or for other people? So there are two main cycles in the circular economy: the technical cycle and the biological cycle. In the technical cycle, products are kept in circulation in the economy through reuse, repair, remanufacture, and recycling. In this way, Materials, like metals for example, are kept in use and never become waste. And in the biological cycle, the nutrients from biodegradable materials are returned to Earth through composting or digestion. This allows the land to regenerate, so the cycle continues. So the third principle of circular economy is regenerating nature. There is no waste in nature. When a leaf falls from a tree, it feeds the forest. For billions and billions of years, natural systems have regenerated themselves. Waste is a human invention. By shifting our economy from linear to circular, we shift the focus from extraction to regeneration. Instead of degrading nature, we build natural capital. We employ farming practices that allow nature to rebuild soil and increase biodiversity and return biological materials to the earth. So a lot of solutions that are helping circular economy can only be done by big businesses, governments, corporations, and multinational organizations. But we as citizens, as consumers, as human beings, can also contribute to creating a circular economy. In recent years, consumers have become more aware of how our purchasing decision affects our ecological footprint. As the most significant stakeholders of brands and companies, we consumers can significantly influence the life cycle of products by choosing more sustainable products and brands, avoiding packaging waste, using products for longer periods, repairing and reusing old products, and making use of sharing and upcycling practices. And this is what we want to share with you during this course. The course has a following structure. The first part is devoted to the using products and materials. So how to maintain products and use them longer. The second topic is sharing economy, how nature, people, and society can benefit from sharing products. The third topic is repair, how to repair products that are broken or damaged instead of throwing them away. Then we move to reusing, how to reuse products for new purposes and create a new function. And only then we go to recycling practices, how to recycle products to extract value from materials. But before we throw them into recycling bin, maybe we have also to think about upcycling products and creating higher value from them, creating something new and beautiful and valuable from the